launch my product. I need a cover to sell it online tomorrow, but I can't find anything for it. I need a great e-cover, a graphic that stands out to get me sales and conversions. Something memorable, something amazing. I ain't spending $500 or a month for a good photo. Luckily, eCoverly will make you covers that go. Make them as fast as Bruce Lee, thunder and lightning. So don't worry, baby. Download and hit go. Put down that Photoshop, X out that freelance site. We got everything you need so you can get that cover right. Don't search if you don't know, cause we can teach you how. If you don't know the name, I'll help you scream it out. eCoverly, eCoverly. Low prices and enticing, it's got them all watching. eCoverly, eCoverly. Low prices and enticing, it's got them all watching. Which graphic will you choose? Hundreds of options, there's no way you could lose. Got animations locked in. eCoverly, eCoverly. Low prices enticing, it's got them all watching. Fast step, select your chosen template with all the layouts. You'll find one that's perfect. Next, you customize with some pixel flicks and fonts too. Once you publish, sit back while sales fly through the roof.
It's Doc Brownchild reading. Hello, and I've come from the far distant future to tell you about an incredible event that's going to happen, and I need your help, or it'll be catastrophic for all of human civilization. The flux capacitor is almost out of power, so listen closely. I've made a new invention that'll change the world and displace time as we know it. Back in 2010, I created the first ever eCover creator software called eCover Studio. And then in 2015, I created the second generation of eCover creation software called Pixel Studio FX. And now in the future, I've created the latest third generation of eCover creation that'll shock the world straight into the sixth dimension. And it's called eCoverly. eCoverly doesn't just create thousands of good-looking e-covers. No. It creates amazing animated e-covers in minutes. It really does. Gone are the days of standard boring 2D covers, my friends. Hello 3D animation right inside the e-cover itself. Now the world hasn't seen anything like this before. The technology is new and straight from my lab in the future. Listen, baby, my recent launches have done a crazy $5 million in sales. I was born a genius, do say so myself, and I love watching Sesame Street. eCoverly shall be my next 88-mile-an-hour $1 million blockbuster right into Hollywood. And ain't no one crazier than Doc Brownchild. The molecular structure of my funnel is based on the plutonium quantum theory of Einstein, and it transcends all wormholes that'll stop you from being broke. Now imagine someone came from the future and gave you the winning lottery numbers. Well, this launch is just exactly that. It'll make you rich beyond your wildest dreams. And on top of that, Marty, we're giving away tens of thousands of dollars in real prizes. So go ahead and activate your affiliate link right now and travel with me into the future. And one more thing, folks. Go ahead, share and like this video.